Remove the clamping piece on the front seat backrest in the S-Class. Move the front seat all the way to the front and as high as it will go. The backrest also has to be moved all the way to the front. First, unscrew both screws from the backrest frame. Now press the clamping piece inward slightly and push it to the front. Release the holders from the guides. Here is the holder on a clamping piece which has been removed. The removal is complete. When fitting it again, place the clamping section at an angle and carefully press the holders into the guides. Further installation is carried out in reverse sequence.